Hello viewers, let's make learning fun today with this DIY kitchen matching game. Simple and easy. I drew the outlines of spoons, forks and knives on a sheet using a marker. Now my little one is matching the real cutlery to each outline, just like solving a fun puzzle. This simple activity builds shape recognition, problem solving, and fine motor skills. It's also a great way to explore real life objects while playing and learning at the same time. You can try this with any household items. It's super easy and fun. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative learning ideas. Thanks for watching. Happy little hands.